Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we will look into the logical reasoning quiz. Here are the topics: non-verbals, alphabets, coding and decoding, analogy, find the odd one. Before we start, I would like to request you to please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Today we will look into the important questions from logical reasoning, and as we look into the syllabus of NSSB, General Intelligence and Reasoning, 20 questions will come. So we'll discuss first we'll discuss a non-verbal exercise. Each of these questions given below contains three elements, which elements may or may not have some interlinkage. Each group of elements may fit into one of these diagrams at A, B, C, D, and E, and you have to indicate the groups of elements which correctly fit into the diagrams. Here's the question: for the circles C, D, and J given below depicts criminal, thieves, and judge. So let's look to the question: which of the following figures best depict the relationship among the criminal, thief, and judge? So the correct answer for this is option number B. Explanation: all the thieves are criminal, while judge is different from this. I hope you got the points. Let's move on to the next question. Non-verbal number 2. Which diagram depicts relationship between nitrogen, ice, and air? And if you know the answer, then you can pause the video and please comment in the comment section below. And when we talk about nitrogen, ice, and air, I hope everyone know the meanings. If you know the meanings, then you can able to answer very quickly. And the correct answer for this question is option number D. Explanation: nitrogen gas is a part of the air, while ice is different from this. We can see from the diagram also. Next question we have: which diagram depicts relationship between bus, car, and vehicle? Here's the option A. Guys, what do you think? Which one will be the best relationship or the best fit answer for this question? Question is says that bus, car, and vehicle. The answer is C. Bus and car are different from each other, but both are parts of vehicles. This which diagram indicates the best relation between traveler, trains, and bus. What will be the best relation between the three: traveler, train, and bus? If you know the answer, then please pause the video and comment in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer is option C. Bus, train are different from each other, but some travelers travel by bus and some travel by train. So, next question we have: which diagram indicates the best relation between profit, dividends, and bonus? Here's option for you. And what do you know about the profit, dividends, and bonus? If you know that three difference, then you might have know the answer. You will be able to answer. Okay, the answer is option B. Explanation: bonus and dividends are different from each other, but both are parts of profits. So next we will look into the alphabet series. And before we start these questions, first we have to notice number from 1 to 26 and alphabet A to Z, so that the questions will be easy for you. So if this type of question come, then you have to draw this diagram first. So let's start. In each of the following questions, a logical sequence of English letter is given. Choose the best option given under each sequence to replace the question mark. So here's the question: B, E, H, K, and Q, T, W, Z, and a question marks. So we have to find the question mark. So what will be the best or sequence for this answer? Okay, so the correct answer is option B, CFI. Explanation: all the letters of each term are moved 9 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. So you can try this. Next question we have U, O, I, question mark, and W. So what will be the answer for this? Anyone? Please comment in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer is B. Each letter in the series move 6 steps backward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. Next question we have BA, DC, question mark, HG, and JI. What will be the answer? You can try, and if you have the papers and pen with you, then you can try this and answer in the comment section below. Okay, the answer is B. The first letters of each term is moved 1 step backward to obtain the corresponding letters, and the first letters of each term is 2 steps forward of the previous term. Okay, next question. A, D, G, XVD, BH, WS, WS, and question mark. So, this option. What will be the best or sequence? What will be the best sequence for this answer? For this question? Okay, the best sequence or the correct answer is option number B. Explanation: all the letters of each term are moved 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter. The first letter and the third term is the next letter of the first letter term, and first letter of the fourth term is the previous letters of the first letter of the second term. In the same way, first letter of the fifth term would be the next letter of the third terms. Next question. G, M, S, Y, I, O, U, A, K, Q, W, C. Question marks. So, what will be the best sequence or the best relationship for this question? Okay, here's the answer for you. Option A. All letters of each term are moved 6 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letters, and the first letter of each term is moved 2 steps forward to the previous term. Okay, now we will look into the coding and decoding. Here's a question. If secret is written as CRETSE, then choice is written as, here's option A, B, C, and D. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number D. Explanation: first and second letters shifted in, the last and remaining letters are unchanged. Next question. In a certain code, COVID is coded as FRYHW. Which word would be coded as SHDUO? Here's option. And the correct answer is option number D. Each letter in the word is moved 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code. Next question. If a certain chord glamour is written as IJ, and MWP, and MISRULE is written as OGUSSNC, then how will topical be written? The answer is first and third six letters of the word are moved two steps ahead to obtain the chord. Second and fifth and seven letters of the word are moved two steps backward, and fourth letter of the word is moved one step forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the chord. Okay, next question. If in a certain language Madras is coded as NBESBD, how is Bombay coded in that code? Here's option A, B, C, and D. What will be the best sequence for this question? Okay, the correct answer is option number B, CP and CBZ. Each letter in the word is moved one step forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the chord. Next question. If custom is written as UCTSMO, then how parent will be written in the same chord? Here's option. Like I've said, if you know the answer, then you can please pause the video and answer in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer is option number D. First and second letters are interchange. Third and fourth letters are interchanged, and fifth and sixth letter are interchanged to obtain the chord. Next, we will look into the analogy. Each of the following questions, a certain relation is exists between the first two words. The same relation is also exists in the third and fourth words. Out of these four words, one word is missing, and the place of the missing word is shown by question mark. I hope you guys have knowledge about these types of questions, analogy. So let's look into the questions. The first question we have like France, France, Dutch question mark. So what will be the answer? It's option A, Fiji, B, Sweden, C, Holland, D, Norway. And the correct answer is option C. French language is spoken France. In the same way, Dutch language is used in Holland. Next question. Australia, kangaroo, Serbia, question mark. It's option A, bear, B, yak, C, horse, D, reindeer. And the correct answer is option number D. Kangaroo is found in Australia. In the same way, reindeer is found in Serbia. Let's move out. Next question. Air, atmosphere, water, question mark. Option A, island, B, earth, C, ocean, D, drop. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option C, ocean. Since atmosphere is the biggest part which contain air, in the same way, ocean is the biggest which content water. Next question. Light, sound, heat, question mark. So, electricity, moon, fire, and star. And the correct answer is option number C, fire. As sun, the source of light, in the same way, fire is a source of heat. Next question. Trouble, safety, freedom, question mark. So, here's the option for you. A, independence, B, slavery, C, liberty, D, passion. Okay, the correct answer is option B, slavery. As safety is opposite to trouble, in the same way, slavery is the opposite to freedom. So let's move on to the next question. Odd one out or wrong term. Find the odd one out. So here's the option, and the correct answer for this is option number B, 182, 140. Because if we divided or minus a difference, then every options get 35, but except option B. So odd one is option B. Next question. Odd one out. Find the odd one out. 3, 18, 35, 45. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number C. Each term can be divided by 3 except 35. Next question. Find the odd one out. 25631, 33442, 34424, 5163. And the correct answer is option B. In all other numbers, sums of digit is 17, except option B. Next question. 3 is to 12, 4 is to 20, 6 is to 42, 7 is to 63. And the correct answer is option D, 7 is to 63. In all the other pairs, first number into first number plus first number equal to second number, but except in option D. So this comes to the end of this video. I hope and believe that you have learned something from this very topic. So I kindly request each and every one of you to please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends so that we all will learn